we are launching Bni Udan, the 6th chapter of Bni Jammu Kashmir today at Radisson Blu, with 36 plus business owners added as a referral partner to 250 plus business owners community. We are looking forward to contribute 1% to the GDP by having 2,500 referral partners with 2,500 crores of business by 2030. What is BNI? That's what is a general question people ask me. BNI is the world's largest referral organization where we pass on referrals to each other without any commissions and salaries, where we have only one particular person in a category, and we meet every week at 7:30 in the mornings to close a group of business owners who refer business to each other, and we connect, collaborate, and train each other so that we can refer business to each other and become a part of a community who follows givers gain. Today, launch has been done by our launch director, Jaskaran Singh Madan. He's just sitting beside me. I'm looking forward him to talk what is in heart today. It is his 3rd chapter which he has launched. Karan, how do you feel? Please go ahead.
It's an awesome feeling. I believe with the launch of Udan, it is altogether different. लोग कहते हैं कि हर बार same होता है, but all members and all business owners are very different. इस chapter के अंदर I see them doing a business of more than 2 crores every month because varied categories are here और ये सारे के सारे बड़े कमाल के business owners हैं doing awesome business, and I am sure in the coming time there will be 51 members sitting in one room. I think that's it, sir.
That's amazing. And this could not happen because the vision of Jammu and Jammu Kashmir coming together is only because of a lady sitting besides. We are all the fan of how Dimpy ma'am conceive and perceive things. How is your feeling and what's happening?
बिल्कुल राघव, उड़ान के साथ एक नई उड़ान ले रहे हैं बीएनआई जम्मू कश्मीर में. जैसे कि आज ये चैप्टर लॉन्च हुआ है और अभी ये लॉन्च ही हुआ है चैप्टर, और 70+ लाख का बिजनेस ऑलरेडी मेंबर्स कर चुके हैं. तो एक कम्युनिटी जहाँ पे लोग एक दूसरे की मदद कर रहे हैं, एक दूसरे को बिजनेस बढ़ाने के लिए उसी पैशन के साथ हम इसको आगे लेके जा रहे हैं. और 2,500 crores ऑफ बिजनेस जो हमने सोचा हुआ है कि 1% कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन टू द GDP, उसी की मुहिम में हम सब जो यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं वो उसी थॉट प्रोसेस के साथ आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. और इसी तरीके से हम बीएनआई जम्मू कश्मीर को पूरे इंडिया में और पूरे वर्ल्ड में विजिबल करना चाह रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से हम लोग यहाँ पे इतना खूबसूरत तरीके से बिजनेस करते हैं.
तो मैं एक बार इंट्रोड्यूस कर दूं जो भी लोग फ्रेम में हैं. रोहित जी, द फाउंडिंग प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ बीएनआई उड़ान. गुरमिंदर जी, द फाउंडिंग वाइस प्रेसिडेंट and the head of membership committee of Bni Udan, because Bni is a structured driven organization, not a person driven organization. It is a process driven organization, and here we have CA Neeraj sir. He is the lead visitor host who will help members, the visitors, to be understanding about Bni, so that when they come to Bni, their expectation and understanding about Bni is very, very clear. We have Anuj, the launch catalyst of Bni Udan, and we have Ramindu ji, the launch director of Bni Jammu Kashmir, and we have Tanveer Hussain, the support director of Bni Jammu Kashmir, who would be supporting Bni Udan. Let's have all of us together supporting the community and supporting that thought process of contributing 1% to GDP.